it's asking for a quick landing. I asked it not to. Battery is low, only 30% left, and we have to get off the chairlift right now. Get ready for that. So finally we did it, and now we gotta pack it back up and show you guys what is all around.
अच्छा इसको आप मतलब फर्ज करें जैसे आप चेयर लिफ्ट पे हैं, मतलब फर्ज करें ये चेयर लिफ्ट का ड्यूरेशन 30 मिनट्स है।
तो लैंड ऑफ अपने हाथ में कर लूँगा। ठीक है जी, आ जाओ। So they're saying they're working on this, so it's not open for anyone, and we will have to wait for it for like I don't know how much long. They have planted the new boxes in it, so we gotta wait until they open it up again. So we're gonna visit this area and then we're gonna go to the next spot. After trying like 5th or 6th attempt, I finally hit the pin right over here. Okay, so I'm set to go back down there, and we're waiting for an empty chairlift so he can take my pictures and I can take his pictures through this camera. We gotta wait for that one. So Heavy's gonna take my picture and I'm gonna walk over here. So someone just told us that there is snow in Ayubia, so let's go there and check that out. Sozo Park is down there somewhere, but as we have to go to Ayubia, so we are not gonna waste any time and we're gonna head towards Ayubia. So finally the snow just started showing up. There's a little bit of snow on the roadside, but I hope there will be more, so go find it. And the snow is gone again. can see snow everywhere, so it's like 3 feet or more. So this is something like really cool, a really amazing view with all the snow. Finally found the snow. Really amazing place. So I got out of the car, parked my car in that gap, and now we are moving up to enjoy a little bit of snow.